plants on them.
What are these?
Blueberries.
Okay.
Bushes. They're,
Nice.
I'm going to keep them small.
Okay.
Right?
Nice.
Those are, like I said, those are potatoes.
Well, we can look at all of them. Wow.
These are,
And are all these done like this, pretty much?
Yeah, that's nice.
it's either Brussels sprouts and the cauliflower. I got Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, green cabbage, red cabbage.
Wow.
That's all this stuff here. And of course, you've got the tomatoes. I got the tomatoes down there. Jalapeno peppers.
Right here?
Yeah, there's jalapeno peppers. The banana peppers, those are the yellow.
These are
peppers.
these are the bananas.
Bananas. Jalapenos, sweet bananas.
Ooh.
Nice.
Bells are over there, green bells.
Oh shit. Wow. He's definitely a salad eater. Now,
That's garlic.
and what is this?
That'd be it's green peppers.
Green peppers there.
Yeah. No, those are jalapenos.
Okay.
Those are the green peppers.
Okay.
And you got the tomatoes. I got some blooming down at the house too. We got flowers on these fuckers already.
No kidding. Wow.
And then I had a couple extra pepper plants I put over here. Then I got corn. I got the silver queen is going to be the stuff that's purple, I think.
Okay.
And then there's bread and butter. There's that yellow corn.
I see
Then
it.
I planted some more corn over there the other day.
Nice. I can't believe how that stuff is.
See those? See
Right.
that plant coming up right there?
Yeah.
That's a sunflower. Feed the chickens the sunflower seeds. And what they do when they end up in the garbage with them.
Well, what's all this big stuff already blooming? The big stuff. I like that fake owl. It looks really shit. See it?
Garlic is amazing. I like this garlic a lot. Yeah.
There's a lot of work here.
Potatoes, peas.
Nice.
Those are the best peas I've had so far.
Nice.
They're the peas.
And my daughter likes the peas and stuff.
That's cool.
Green beans and all that.
Yeah, see what I did is I took all my tomato stands and just put them in there. I was like, I'm gonna try something different, give them to grow up.
Absolutely.
These are yellow beans, green beans, onions, cucumbers. There's the blueberries that are 2 years old. They're a lot bigger.
2 years old.
And then I get wild tomato plants from the chicken crap.
No kidding.
I've had yellow romaines.
Nice.
Last year.
Nice.
Never seen them.
Hey,
Nice.
Yeah, I looked it up and they are out there.
They exist.
I didn't plant them. They came out of chicken fat.
What's that behind you down there?
Nope, I forgot some strawberries.
Oh man. Look at these. Look at these, everybody.
These ones are good and ripe.
Oh man.
Great eating.
I'll take the whole thing actually.
No, I gotta figure it out.
Look at this.
Josie, baby.
And then I got grapes.
Wow.
You have grapes too?
Yeah,
This
these
right
are
here
grapes.
behind you though. That's good.
Holy cow.
That's the way it grows. You get small ones.
Unreal. He knows what he's doing, tell you that.
Like I said, these are grapes. There's 3 different kinds. See, I got grapes coming up here. I got fucking grapes this year.
You're happy about that? Yes, you are.
I got grapes this year.
Nice.
These are white raspberries on this side,
Nice.
and the red raspberries are on the other side.
Nice.
Are the rest of these setups all strawberries?
These are all strawberries. 4 boxes. I think that's way too many.
4. I think you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, I should have only done 3. I had elderberries here. They didn't come up this year. They're not in the store. These are zucchini over here. pears.
He said I heard that.
Oh, for real? Those
Asian pears, you said?
They're round.
yes, the
Nice.
brown ones, yeah.
And look at the way that tree's set up.
There were
It's like
two
a
other
T.
branches
Ain't that
broke
crazy?
off,
Look at
but I
that.
got some new ones coming out.
That's crazy. It's like
They're
a
going
T.
up this year. At least.
Awesome.
Red delicious apples here.
Nice. Red delicious apples. Look, they're already started.
Last year I got like 3 out of it.
Well, you got,
You got a lot this year.
There's a lot on this tree.
yeah. Well, it's took. It's cycled. Yeah.
And then I got this might be the Brussels sprouts up here. Yeah, these might be the Brussels sprouts. And those are tomatoes that I planted last year that didn't grow and they came up anyways.
Huh. Interesting.
Potatoes, I mean,
Okay.
from last year.
Okay. Yeah, that's natural for that to happen. Still, the way you got your
Healthy, everything
beds,
looks healthy,
it's
though.
tight. Heck yeah, and you got it all set up to where ain't nothing getting in here. I mean, you got that
Electrical.
solar electrical fence all the way around. Let me tell you. If he don't got it turned off and he's got the system set up to where nobody getting in. Nice.
Fresh garlic.
Dude, you don't understand. I'm a fanatic for garlic. I eat garlic with everything.
Oh, this is small though.
It's a small one. I'm little ones right there.
Nice. Very nice.
Those are onions from last year. They grow in the wintertime. I didn't think they grow in the wintertime. I thought they would. Yeah,
Look at the size of them babies already.
that's last year.
No kidding. Oh, the guys grew again. That's crazy.
What more are you adding into here?
And then I got more cucumbers.
Cucumbers?
But then with that, then with the cherry trees. There's 2 peach trees that are coming out. I think there's a plum tree down here.
You gotta get some bananas.
He's a, he got to grow them indoors.
I did have a banana tree and it fucking died in the house.
Oh, you tried to do it?
And here's the system right here. It's all set up.
What's that mean?
Look at that. Electrical fence, solar. Nice system.
Show them how it works, Ed. Turn it on. Touch it.
It had a little battery in it. The battery went bad, so I better put a regular 6-volt battery in there.
How good is it?
Touch the fence.
No, I'm alright, buddy.
When it's blinking, don't touch that
I'm not
fence.
touching that freaking fence, dude.
I don't blame you.